Welcome to this guided pranayama session. Sit down in a comfortable cross-legged posture and close your eyes and take a few normal breaths. Now take your right arm and gently put it on your abdominal area and focus on this area while breathing. Breathe in and out, and in and out. Gently relax your right hand and put it back on your knee. And come back to normal breath. And now we will focus on the breath at the thoracic region. Put your hand on your chest and breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. And slowly put your arm back onto your knee and take a few normal breaths. Now we will focus on the breath in the clavicular region. Therefore, put your arms at the top of your shoulders and inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And breathe in and exhale. And place your arms back on your knees and breathe normally. Now we combine what we have learned, the abdominal, the thoracic and the clavicular breathing to full yogic breathing. Therefore, inhale deeply from your abdomen, expand your chest and lift your shoulders. And exhale fully the other way around. And inhale from the abdomen to the chest, up to the clavicular region. And exhale. And inhale again deeply and fully. Expand your lungs. And exhale completely. And go back to your normal breathing rate and relax. Now take a deep breath in and exhale forcefully through your nose while pulling your stomach in. Repeat this for 30 times. Inhalation will happen automatically. And relax and take a few normal breaths before we start another round. Kapalbhati. Prepare yourself for the next round and start 30 strokes. And relax again and come back to your normal breathing rate. And prepare for the next round, 30 strokes, and start. and relax again. Take a few normal breaths. And now prepare yourself for Anulom Vilom. Fold your right hand in Nasagra Mudra and close your right nostril. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale right 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right 2, 3, 4, and exhale left 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left 2, 3, 4, and exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4, and exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4. And exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4. And exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4. And exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4. And exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4. And exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. Connect to your normal breath and just observe the changes in your body, how balanced you feel right now. Thank you. Namaste.